Silken wrappers delicately folded 18 times with origami precision. Succulent pork filling surrounded by a rich broth, steaming gently in its paper-lined bamboo steamer. Has Din Tai Fung created the perfect Xiao Long Bao? Join Ali and Graham from Vet Around the World as we answer this question in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We braved the Kuala Lumpur city centre Christmas traffic, heading for the Pavilion Mall.
Where are we?
Welcome to Christmas in KL. It's not at all grand.
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day in Kuala Lumpur.
6 floors of fun, festivities and food, and everyone is out tonight enjoying the holiday season. This will not be our typical Kiwi Christmas dinner.
Welcome to Din Tai Fung in the Pavilion, Kuala Lumpur. This biggest ever shopping centre I've seen in my life. I am lost already 6 floors up, and we're here to eat Din Tai Fung for our Christmas dinner because we got told it's an experience we have to have. So there's a whole little book here and a menu that we've got to fill out.
So we've got 25 minutes to somehow fill out what we want.
Yep.
We have no idea.
We have no idea. But for information, Din Tai Fung is a small shop that was founded in 1958 in Taipei. It rose to global fame through the artistry of one perfect dumpling. Every Xiao Long Bao is handcrafted with precision, paper-thin skin, 18 delicate folds and a rich, savoury broth. A bite-sized masterpiece celebrated worldwide, and we'll go over there and watch these guys making it. Din Tai Fung has expanded from Taipei to the world, present in 13 countries with over 100 restaurants. And we got told we have to come here, so Christmas Day 2025, bring it on. It's in the world's top 10 restaurants according to the New York Times, and has a Michelin 1 star for 2010 to 2013. Mealy, Forbes, The New Yorker, Michelin Bib Gourmand and the CNN Travel Best Franchises for Travellers. So let's get started. What do you want for Christmas dinner?
A Xiao Long Bao begins as a thin circle of dough filled with pork and cold broth jelly. With quick, practiced fingers, the cook pleats it into a tiny, perfect pouch and then steams it until the jelly melts into hot, fragrant soup. In just a few minutes, a delicate dumpling comes to life, tender skin, rich broth, and centuries of craft in a single bite.
So we're queue number 1060. Maybe not for the day. I don't know, these guys will be working hard. We've got our little clipboard and we've just been putting our order together. We've got our string bean with minced pork and some dried shrimp. We've got the Xiao Long Baos. We've chosen the pork ones, and then we're going to have some Taiwanese pork spring rolls, the spicy veggie and pork wontons, and then we've picked ourselves lemongrass and lime juice drink. I've got a cold one, you've got a hot one. I think that's our order, so we'll put that back on the clipboard. We're going to take it up to this lady out there. And then we've got to stand around for about 20 minutes until they shout our number over the PA system. And then we'll go in and find our assigned table, and we'll have hopefully some really amazing Din Tai Fung.
As it turned out, we did not have to wait long. As soon as we handed in our order, we were welcomed and whisked to our table by the efficient waiters.
Thank you very much.
So we have the 6 pieces of the Xiao Long Bao with the Taiwanese spring roll for 1, 6 pieces of the spicy veggie and pork wonton. Sorry, our shrimp meat is sold out already for today. You can change to spinach with garlic.
Can we get a small plate of chili or sambal?
Yeah. It's here.
So a little bit of a dining experience. I feel a little processed. It's that busy in here, they're just having to shoo through the numbers as quick as possible. You've got your vinegar, your soy sauce, and then there's a good container of sambal chili so Graham will not be sad. And then we'll just wait for it to turn up.
For the ginger for the Xiao Long Bao, do you want me to make the sauce for it?
Yes, please.
Okay. But our ratio is 1 soy sauce and 3 vinegar. 1 soy sauce and 3 vinegar. 3, 1, 2. Enjoy.
Thank you. 108 ringgit. So it's about 45 New Zealand dollars. But
What an experience.
it's a Christmas
dinner.
It's Christmas dinner, and what an experience. It's so different. So this Din Tai Fung, it's one of a few in Kuala Lumpur. This is the only one that's non-halal, so you can get pork dim sums or char siu here. We can get our pork dumplings here. We got specifically recommended this one. So let's wait for our food to arrive.
Spicy pork veggie wonton.
Thank you very much.
You must mix with the sauce.
We shared our YouTube channel sticker with the waiter and he ran away, only to return with a little trolley bag for us to put our things in. There is customer service for you.
This is our spicy wontons, and you're going to get your chopsticks on the go.
Oh, 200.
There's our 18 folded buns. Testing Graham's chopstick skills. Look at the steam coming off that.
No, you won't like it.
Spicy?
No.
So these, you're supposed to put one of those onto one of those spoons and then poke a hole in it.
You poke a hole in it?
Yeah. And then I think that sauce, or your sauce, has to go there.
Into here.
I'm not sure what the process is for doing that, but let's try that.
If there is a proper way to add the sauce to our Xiao Long Bao, do let us know in the comments.
That's good.
Very good.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think I've got a matching set of chopsticks. Let's see if we can drive this. Thank you. I've got a hole in that already. I'll just do a little bit of that. And you think I need a bit of ginger on it as well?
A little bit.
Really juicy, love the flavour. Like, not at all spicy, but just delicious pork broth with the vinegar and soy sauce.
The spinach and spring rolls arrived next.
This is what I'm after. You can't live without chili. It's really nice.
Spinach with garlic and pork, because the beans were sold out. So I'm just having a wee argument with my chopsticks again. These spicy wontons are actually quite hard to navigate, but I'm going to cheat and poke a hole. Told you. Mismatched chopsticks. Try again. The chili oil in that is really good. The flavour's fantastic, but just excuse me a minute, I'm going in for a drink. I'm good, I've just got chili on my tonsils. Lovely. That's quite lemony gingery. These greens, pork and garlic, hardly any chili at all, super yum. One, two, three. Fantastic. You're a pro. They're looking for employees here. You could sign up to be staff.
Guess what? I thought this is the straw. Nothing's coming out. But that's the lemongrass straw. I'm trying to drink. Something wrong with this. Straw's blocked.
I cheat with these bad boys and I use my fingers. Going in.
There goes. Probably the best value was the huge plate of spinach and pork and garlic. I got a couple of helpings and you've had a few, and there's still half a plate full.
You all right over there?
It's amazing.
You've been Din Tai Funged?
It's not at all spicy from chili, but it does have vinegar in it. So finish the last one.
Lucky last.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Come to KL.
How's that meaty broth? All that juiciness just comes out of the bum, doesn't it?
It's kind of sour and sweet, juicy, spicy, ginger.
A little bit of salt from the soy sauce. It's good. Like the chili oil with the dumplings, and just the mouthfeel of that, and then the juiciness of the broth and the bun with the soy sauce and vinegar. Definitely good value. Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
After such a delicious feast, we wandered the mall for a bit, enjoying the sights and smells of so many other food choices.
Just looking at the queues of people waiting in line.
You can tell if the food is good if the locals are lining up for it. We then called up our grab taxi, ready to head home. So if you enjoyed this Malaysian food adventure, do check out the best char kway teow in Penang. Your taste buds will thank you. And if you like to see some more pet, vet and travel adventures with Ellie and Graham, please do like and subscribe. We really enjoy you travelling with us.